What's up, gearheads, and welcome back to the channel. If I told you to picture a Russian SUV, you're probably thinking of the legendary boxy Lada Niva that's basically looked the same since the 1970s. But today, we are throwing that image right out the window. For the first time in almost 3 decades, Lada is breaking its silence in the SUV market. Despite the ongoing war and heavy international sanctions making global collaboration basically impossible, they've managed to pull a rabbit out of the hat. Meet the all-new 2026 Lada Azimuth. It's entirely designed, developed and built in Russia, and honestly, it looks surprisingly modern. Let's dive into what this means, what's under the hood, and why it's about to be the most expensive Lada ever made. Hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about the design. If you took the badges off, you could easily mistake the Azimut for a brand new Dacia Duster or Bigster. It features a bold, chiseled look that is a massive departure from Lada's usual bare-bones aesthetic. Up front you get an upright nose with a short overhang showing off Lada's signature X design pattern. The sharp LED headlights blend seamlessly into the grille and bumper intakes, giving it an aggressive, modern face. Moving to the side, it sits on sharp 18-inch alloy wheels, surrounded by understated plastic cladding and a stylish two-tone paint job. And the back? It's rocking a trendy full-width LED light bar right across the tailgate, complete with an aluminum-style bumper insert. It's rugged, it's sharp, and it definitely commands. Now, let's step inside. While the dashboard layout is a bit familiar and on the safe side, the tech is a massive leap forward for the brand. You get a fully digital cockpit, featuring a customizable instrument cluster, and a crisp 10-inch infotainment touchscreen. Because of international sanctions, Lada couldn't just buy a software system from the West. Instead, they teamed up with Russian tech companies Spare and Novio to build their own platform, complete with built-in navigation and a virtual assistant. Out of the box, you get 6 speakers, a rear-view camera, and keyless entry. But if you want to splurge, you can spec this thing out with wireless charging, a panoramic roof, heated side windows, a 360-degree camera, and an electric tailgate. So it looks the part, but how does it drive? Underneath, the Azimut is riding on a heavily modified version of the Lada Vesta platform, with over 1,000 new or revised components. Under the hood at launch, it's keeping things strictly old school, gasoline engines only, zero electrification. You've got a choice between a 1.6-litre naturally aspirated engine pushing 120 horsepower, or a slightly punchier 1.8-litre giving you 132 horsepower. You compare those to either a 6-speed manual or a CVT. And if you need more juice, Lada promises a 150 horsepower turbocharged version with an automatic transmission down the line. Here's the catch though. Despite a very generous 8.2 inches of ground clearance and a prominent terrain mode dial in the cabin, the Azimut is likely going to launch as a front-wheel drive only vehicle. Lada keeps hinting at cross-country ability, so an all-wheel drive version might happen eventually, but for now it looks for 2026 at the Togliatti plant. But because of the current geopolitical situation, don't expect to see this rolling down your local streets anytime soon unless you live in Russia. So what's the damage to the wallet? Russian media estimates the Azimut will start between 2.5 and 3 million rubles. That's roughly $31,900 to $38,300 United States dollars, officially making it the most expensive vehicle in Lada's lineup. When you consider the ancient Niva legend starts at just $13,500, the Azimut is a massive leap up in price, tech, and ambition. What do you guys think? Is the Azimut a step in the right direction for Lada, or is it too expensive for what it offers? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below, leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.